Wow, I can actually see inside the car. So I actually need to pull this harness out, but I don't want to go inside the car. There we go. 1, 2. On the other hand, I got a lot of work to do. Yeah, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another one. It's your boy LaBass. As you can see, I got gloves on already. The car's already open, food's already out, and I'm already working. But I forgot I'm a content creator now, so I should probably be filming this. So far, I started sanding on this part, just trying to get the paint even. I took off the little line that goes down here. I'm starting to peel this out, but I need to go get a cutting wheel for that. And just working my way over, taking off everything and slowly getting there. But I'm coming along pretty nicely. But how are you guys doing? How's your day going? How's your week going? How's it been? Let me know. I'm asking. I'm curious. I want to start a conversation down in the comment section. I was thinking about it last night, trying to decide how I want to go about doing this. Do I want to start with the engine bay, paint it, put the engine in, and then start working on the inside? Or do I start on the inside and then work my way out? I was going back and forth on it for a little while, but came to the conclusion that I'm just gonna clean up the engine bay, paint it, put it back together, put the engine and transmission in, and then I'm gonna work on the inside, because after I put the engine and trans in, I still need to find a drive shaft and little bits and pieces and whatnot. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and while that's in, I could at least hear it start and whatnot, but I can't drive it. And then while I'm waiting on all the other little bits and pieces, I can start doing the interior and get that all torn out. And then if the drive shaft comes before I have everything back together, I could still throw in the seat and at least drive it. But I'm definitely not getting in there with it looking like this at all. No, I'm not doing that. So this one's dirty too, but it's black. This is actually the seat out of that car. But I'm planning on taking the dashboard, the carpet, center, everything. I'm planning on taking everything out of it and putting it in the other car. Yeah, it's like I was saying before, it sucks I can't use this one. I'm gonna need this. This one is in such better shape. Like, the body's clean, there's no hits. It's all together. There's not like a gaping hole or like an inch of bondo there. There's a crack on the tail light, but everything on this car is so much cleaner than that one. Now I do have a solution for this little area here, but it's gonna involve some extensive work and some help with some friends, but I got a plan for that. We'll get to that down the line, but for today we're gonna focus on getting this ready for me to put the engine in. Cue the time lapse.
Perfect.
Pulling out brake lines and shit so I can paint.
Oh, you don't like my custom brakes?
Oh, this guy done showed up. Yeah, what's going on, everybody? It's your boy LaBass. We back again with another one. I need to get the interior out of this car, so let's start doing that. As you can see, the seat's already out, but I need the carpet, these trim pieces, the dash, and this to come out. I'm not really focused on the dash right now. I just need to carpet out so I could start pulling the wire harness out of the corner of the floors right there and over there in that corner. I'm not trying to sit on this. Better already. So I cut this section of it out because I don't have the dashboard. Just because I don't have the dashboard out of this one yet. And up under here, it's tucked underneath the dashboard. So I'll pull that little chunk out when I swap the dashboards. That was a task, boy, but that's done. That went a little bit quicker than I thought it would, so I don't know. On to the next side, I guess.
Perfect, 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 perfect.
If you're not an avid user in power tools, I highly suggest you become one. Don't abuse them like I do though. I think I'm gonna go ahead and jump back on the engine and finish up with that. Kind of been putting it off and walking around it and just be like, Yeah, my videos are all over the place right now. Like I keep saying, I don't know where to start with this car. I've never had so much to do on a car, so to prioritize it, I have no idea. If you have any suggestions, please, I need help. Throw it down in the comments. But I'm all over the place. I was out here cleaning up the engine bay, getting it ready to be painted. I stopped doing that because I ran out of sandpaper, and then so I jumped inside. I pulled out the interior, as you guys just saw. That's all done. So I mean, technically I could start pulling out the dash and whatnot, but that would be kind of counterproductive, because the goal of this car is to drive it ASAP, as soon as possible, as like now, if the engine was in it. But that's not the case. So I need to prioritize. I'm gonna jump back on this engine bay again. I got just about everything. This is the last section I need to deal with. Everything else around it is off. All right here is clear. There, it's just this little clutter area right here now. So I'm gonna jump on that and start working on that, and then I'm gonna continue sanding, and then maybe today I'll go get some rubbing alcohol and we'll prime it. Peel all the lines back. All this stuff are off of here, so I got a clear shot from, you know, this section. So engine bay prep is done as far as taking stuff off. I think that's about it. I need to pull this line off. This is like one bolt right here, and then this. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this off. I gotta hop inside, get under the dash, but we pulled a carpet already, so that's not a problem. So we're gonna go ahead and get that out of there. Tight spaces is nice and all, but when you gotta work in it, damn. You're removing the brake booster, that little pin. Don't forget about it. Otherwise, you're gonna be struggling. Did I do it right, or did I forget something? All right. I'm gonna film this clip just in case, and I'm gonna end the video here and figure out what's the next step. The next video is probably gonna be me sanding and prepping and priming the engine bay. Yeah, that's gonna be the next video. And then, but that's where I'm at. If you're excited for me, leave a like. I need your feedback, so leave a comment. I'm trying to make it to 1,000 subscribers. I'm trying to take this YouTube thing 100% seriously. But yeah, if my content isn't where it needs to be or where you would like it to be, let me know, because this is for you. It is. I mean, it's for me too. I'd like to look back on this like a year or two when the car's actually running and I'm actually doing stuff with it, versus me not doing anything with this. This was sitting for like a good year while I got parts together. I did the clutch, pulled the transmission out of that, a whole line of stuff that I wish I recorded. So this is gonna get the treatment. But yeah, I'm really trying to make this more for you guys than it is for me. So leave your comment, leave your feedback. Let me know what you think. Let me know how I'm doing. I appreciate y'all. I'm Labaz, and hold it down. I'll see you in the next one.